A press conference was held by lawyer Malik Higby Jallo, the legal representative of Dr. Aliu Jiba and Prof. Matar Njai, who were recently dismissed by the University of the Gambia. This follows the announcement on Friday by the University of the Gambia Staff and Faculty Association that they have ended their 3-week sit-down strike. This strike had been organized in protest of the dismissal of the 2 lecturers, with the UTG Staff and Faculty Association demanding their reinstatement. The UTG Staff and Faculty Association Secretary General Yeron Njai stated that the association had decided to suspend this strike and resume work on Monday after an extraordinary congress with the UTG Governing Council, management, the government and other stakeholders. However, the 2 lecturers, through their legal representative, indicated that they had agreed to all provisions of a proposed agreement to resolve the matter out of court, except for Clause 3. This clause required the lecturers to retract their public allegations against the university, which they described as unsubstantiated.
The first clarification we wish to make is that, contrary to widespread belief, our clients have not accepted any out-of-court agreement yet with respect to this matter. The document that is going around, I think styled as consent term judgment of some sort, unsigned, I have to state, is a document that we are treating as a proposal and not an agreement. Proposal in the sense that perhaps it is reflective of the position of the UTG Governing Council and the other stakeholders with respect to how they wish to have the matter resolved, which is not a problem at all. But we just want to make it categorically clear that it is not an agreement that my clients have accepted. We are treating it as a proposal. By and large, in fact, to a large extent, we're in agreement with a lion's share of the provisions contained in that document, save for the infamous clause 3, which seemingly requires that our client retracts what is called unsubstantiated allegations made against the UTG, etc., or something to that effect. So this is the part that our clients are not comfortable with, that they do not wish to align themselves with, because by accepting such a clause, you are implicitly also accepting that whatever you had said before is actually not true, and whatever you have said before is something that you are not capable of justifying or defending, which is actually far removed from our client's position. Clause 3, I believe, if I were to read it in verbatim, it says, the first and second plaintiffs shall retract the unsubstantiated public allegations made against the first defendant on public domain. So this presupposes that the allegations or the remarks that my clients or our clients had actually made, which is what triggered this whole issue, were not made in good faith, or that they were not true, or that they are incapable of being justified, or they are incapable of being substantiated. No. So if that's what it is presupposing, then our clients would be unable to accept such a stance, because they have a strong conviction and belief that whatever they said, no matter how unpalatable it might seem, is something they can justify before any forum, and it's certainly something they can justify and stand by and prove if subjected to any independent investigation process, for example. So to align themselves to Clause 3 would negate all that.
The lawyer noted that negotiations are still ongoing. Dr. Aliu Jiba and Prof. Matar Njai were dismissed by the University of the Gambia administration after they accused the management of nepotism, favoritism and lack of motivation. Reporting for Kerfatu, I am Buba Gajigo.